Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Adam and Eve candlestick pattern. This pattern is a valuable tool for identifying potential trend reversals in the Forex market, offering you a strategic advantage in your trading. By mastering this pattern, you can better anticipate market moves and enhance your decision-making progress. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to explore how to identify this pattern, implement this pattern, and how you can maximize this pattern for your trading success. Now, we have to first start by understanding the Adam and Eve pattern. The Adam and Eve pattern is a distinctive chart pattern that traders use to identify potential trend reversals. It is a variation of classic double tops or double bottoms, consisting of two distinct formations, Adam and the Eve. Understand these formations is crucial for recognizing the pattern in real life. Now we are going to talk about each pattern and we will describe them on my chart. First pattern is the Adams formation. The Adams formation is characterized by its V shape. It will be a sharp V shape. This is an example of what the Adam formation is about in this pattern. This part of this pattern often occurs with high trading volume, indicating strong market momentum. In a bullish reversal, the Adam represents a rapid decline in price, while in a bearish reversal, it signifies a quick rise. Now, this is an example of this pattern. This is an example of the pattern on my chart. This is an example of the Adams formation. This sharp part on my chart, this is the sharp part. As we can see, the V shape on a bearish pattern. This is the V shape that we are looking at. Imagine a chart where you see a swift drop in price forming a sharp V shape. This part of this pattern often occurs with high trading volume, and if you can see the volume, we can see that there was an increase in the volume at around this area where the formation was forming. So this is your Adam in your double top area. The volume spikes during this movement, confirming the strength of the pattern. Now let's see if we can spot another Adams pattern for a bullish scenario. And as I can see, I can spot another Adams pattern for the bullish scenario. This is the Adams pattern here, and as we can see, this is a sharp drop and a sharp rise, with accompanied by a spike in a volume. As you can see, this is a perfect example of the V-shaped Adams formation. Now we need to talk about the Eve formation. Following the Adams formation, the Eve appears as a more gradual U-shaped peak or trough, meaning the Eve pattern is going to be more like a U-shaped pattern. This is how the Eve pattern is going to be. This round shape indicates reduced volatility compared to the Adam. In a bullish reversal, the Eve forms as price stabilizes after the initial drop, while in a bearish reversal, it forms as price steadies after the initial rise. As we can see, this is an example of what the pattern is all about. Sorry about that. This is what the pattern is all about. Now from the chart, if we can see this, we can see this is an example of the if pattern when the market was gradually curving with reduced volume. As we can see, this area is with a reduced volume. As you can see, this is exactly what we are looking for, and this pattern come side by side. To spot the Adams pattern, the Adam and Eve's pattern, look for these two formations to occur consecutively. They have to occur consecutively at similar price levels. As we can see from our chart, this area is the Adams and the Eve. They have to occur consecutively. A neckline should be connecting the top and the bottom. So this is the neckline, and we are expecting price to break this neckline for the reversal of this pair. This is exactly what we are meant to visualize. We have to visualize connecting the bottoms of the Adam and Eve pattern with a horizontal line. We have to connect the bottoms of the Adam and Eve with a horizontal line. Once price break above this line with an increased volume, it signals a potential bullish reversal. So in case of a bullish, once price breaks above this area, it signifies a it signifies a bullish reversal. This is what it means. Once price break above this neckline, it signifies a bullish reversal, and it has to break with an increased volume, as we can see here. We need to familiarize ourselves with these characteristics and practicalize identifying them on the chart. You can effectively use the Adam and Eve pattern to anticipate market reversals and make clear entries and exits with good trading decision. Now let's see how we can trade using this Adam and Eve pattern. The Adam and Eve candlestick pattern offers traders a reliable method for identifying potential trend reversals. We have to provide a clear entry and exit points. By understanding how to trade this pattern, you can enhance your trading strategy and improve your market timing. Let's explore how you can apply this pattern to a bullish and bearish scenario. For a bullish reversal, we first of all identify the pattern. When we identify the pattern, we look for a sharp V below, and we look for a round U shape approximately the same level. We draw a neckline, which we have already drawn. This is a neckline here. When we draw the neckline, is a horizontal resistance line called the neckline. Our entry point is, we enter a long position when price breaks above the neckline with an increased volume. So once price break above the neckline, we enter with an increased, it has to be with an increased volume for us to enter. Our stop loss placement, we can enter once it breaks and retest. So when we enter this trade at this area, when it breaks, our stop loss placement should be the lowest point of the pattern. So we put it at the lowest point of this pattern. This is where we put our stop loss. Our profit target should be measured a distance from the neckline to the Adams low. So you can use a measurement of from the low to the neckline. Then you use this as your take profit target. You target the exact distance from your neckline to the low as your take profit. Similarly, you can use 1:2 or 1:3 risk to reward as the case may be. Now, how do we identify the bearish reversal pattern of the Adam and Eve's? How do we identify this? We identify this by first of all looking for, we'll look for the V sharp pattern. We see the V sharp pattern in this area. This is the sharp V pattern in this area, followed by a rounded U shape approximately the same level with a V shape. So this is what we are meant to look for, but this is going to be an inverse U shape. We'll draw the neckline connecting the lows of the Adams and Eve pattern. So these are the lows of the Adam and Eve pattern. So this is our neckline. We will enter the trade once it breaks the neckline and retest. We enter when it breaks the neckline and retest. We put our stop loss above the highest point of our setup, above the highest point of that setup. That's where our stop loss will be. Then we target a risk to reward of 1:2 or a previous support or resistance area in the chart, 1:2, 1:3, as the case may be. By incorporating this strategy into your trading plan, you can effectively use the Adam and Eve candlestick pattern to capitalize on market reversals and enhance your trading performance. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and turn on the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next